Because, sir, I'm driving, I'm listening your class, meaningless. You are doing multitasking.
Correct, sir.
You never going to concentrate. Here, you never going to concentrate on there. It's not at all recommended. Don't do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next 3 hours, you are learning. If it is more productive, excellent. There is no doubt at all. Okay, like next 1 o'clock onwards, your work is going to be started until 7 or until 8. You are going to do the work. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In that
Perfectly.
work, is there any repeated work is there? Because most of the times in projects, most of the times repeated work, mostly it will be there. Okay. If any repeated work is there, why don't you arrange one intern, okay? So start providing knowledge, start train that person. If any office related, this is my requirement, just I'm sending a mail or just sending a WhatsApp. Can you please dig about this? I'm facing this problem. Can you please dig about this? Can you please let me know? Small activities, start delegating small activities to your background person so that you will get more free time. Okay, you will concentrate on higher level activities. That is also one possibility is there. Okay, remember that. Srikant,
Yes, sir.
getting the point?
Got it, sir.
Yeah, small. N number of people are there in Amirpet, man. Sir, 5,000 rupees also no problem for me. I'm ready to work. Even you are not paying the money also. I'm ready to work, sir, because I want to learn the subject. Like multiple people are there in Amirpet. Or otherwise in your circle, in your friends, or in your family members. Arrange a person, train that person, and better to delegate your small activities to that person. Getting right, Srikant?
Got it, sir.